In this video, I want to give you a quick tip on what to do in case your Switch 2 is not turning on. Okay, the screen stays black. So the thing with it that works for many people is to take the dock, make sure you plug it in a wall outlet, put the switch on the dock. Okay, just like that. And from now, what you need to do is to press the power button during 20 seconds first. So let's do it. I'm keeping it pressed, and no matter what's happening, what sound you can hear, do not release this button until the 20 seconds passed. So I'll speed up the video so you don't have to wait the full 20 seconds, although we are almost there. All right, 19 and now 20. Release the button after 20 seconds and then press it once, just a 1 second press. Now you can take it out of the dock. And usually it will be able to power on the display and it will work back again. Now, if this still doesn't work, it may mean that your Switch 2 doesn't have any battery left inside. Sometimes these go bad, or maybe even the charger you're using for the Switch. So what I recommend is that you take another charger that you know works. So maybe the charger of your iPhone or your Android smartphone that you have tested with your phone. If you know it's working, simply plug it and wait overnight if it's possible. If not, just leave it like this at least an hour or two. And after waiting an hour or two or overnight, do the same trick. 20 seconds. And after 20 seconds, release it and press 1 second just to see the Nintendo logo over here. And usually this will also fix your issue. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, but also comment down below. Tell me that it worked, or if you have any other tips, leave them down, and I'll see you in the next video.